Hello, my name is Lily. I am a member of the team SaveWalletCoupons.com. To get the course called Facebook Ads and Facebook Marketing Mastery 2020, all you have to do is to visit our site, SaveWalletCoupons.com, and here you will find an article called Facebook Ads and Facebook Marketing Mastery 2020 Udemy Coupon. Inside the article you will find two red links. Just click one of them and access the course. Let me show you. Don't worry, you will find the link to the article and to the course in description. Let me tell you the description of the course called Facebook Ads and Facebook Marketing Mastery 2020. Want to become a Facebook Ads expert? Join the 500 plus companies I have consulted on social media marketing and increase conversions for via Facebook and Instagram ads. Facebook marketing is a required skill for anyone with a business, product, service, brand, or public figure they need to promote. Join our 300,000 plus Mod MBA students who have mastered Facebook advertising with this complete Facebook Marketing Mastery course. 3 reasons to take this course right now. 1. You get lifetime access to lectures. 2. You can ask me questions and see me respond to every single one of them thoughtfully. 3. What you will learn in this course is original, tested, and very detailed. Learn the social media marketing strategies I implement for my clients daily, including what social media pages are right for you and content management options that will streamline your posting process. This course will also lay out how to optimize your Facebook page and Facebook ads, therefore enabling you to reach any type of target market. Make the most of social media marketing and make it easy, so you can get back to what you do best, running your business. In this course, you will learn Facebook marketing from beginner level to advanced. We delve deep into every aspect of Facebook and the Facebook Ads Manager. Learn how to use and optimize every type of Facebook campaign, Facebook Custom Audience, Facebook Pixel. The things you will learn about Facebook are truly amazing and will instantly help advance your presence online. You will be able to optimize your Facebook ads for increased conversions and decreased costs. You will be able to create and make use of every type of Facebook ad. You will be able to grow your Facebook page likes and post engagement. You will be able to find new customers that will drive your brand to new heights via online marketing. Join this course now to learn how to take your brand, product, service, or public figure to the next level with the power of Facebook marketing. I will review this course Facebook Ads and Facebook Marketing Mastery 2020 with 4 wallets from a max of 5. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I wish you a great day.